Hello, business nerds. I wanted to talk to you about an upcoming free workshop where my business partner and I are going to share all types of business tips, including how to start your business and also how to grow your business, and then some of the stuck points and how to work through those. We're also going to talk about strategies with connecting with potential clients and building your email list, strategies with building your vision and plan, looking at risks and benefits, niche marketing and networking, boundary setting, all kinds of different topics. And we're going to be working on a series with these types of discussions. So we're also going to be sharing a couple worksheets with you for those who sign up. And how you sign up is you go to the registration page and you add your name and your email, and then you're going to get the link to the, oh, my cat's over there. You're going to get the link to the workshop. If you have any questions, you can email me at drwillie@attainablevision.net. It's on August 9th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, I almost forgot to say, for those who actually attend the workshop, you will receive a 40-page workbook on strategies for building and growing your business. So I hope to see you there. Take care. Bye.